about how can you sell on your Groupon on your Groupon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on my stuff down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, you just scrolling down here. Eventually you will find here sale on Groupon here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just switching to open with you. So it's going to show for you like this here. Add your business name, then your business address, first and last name, your email address, your phone number, website or social media page. And you select category here and you click on sign up. Then it's going to take you to Groupon merchant to here sell on your Groupon app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.